I don't like being disrespected personally, and I don't really believe anyone does. And I feel that if people disrespect me, I should show them double respect because, I mean, maybe people don't respect them. So I want to make sure that no matter who they are, they deserve my respect. Whether they've done anything good or bad, they deserve my respect from one human to another. Being kind to people and, being different, setting myself apart from others, but also being accepting. I mean, that's why I'm here today. I was just my overall atmosphere of who I was and being kind and doing things that set myself apart from other people in a school. It got recognition, and people like my teachers would, let instructors know, like the principal, and then the principal would, I was known around the schools, and they all spoke very highly of me. Well, I hope to own my own bakery. I come from a larger family, 9 of us, and I used to cook breakfast for them every once in a while, usually something like waffles, pancakes, and then any kind of birthday usually would, try to have fun with cookies and cake, stuff like that. But it's just something I enjoyed doing. I thought, well, hey, maybe I can make a career out of this, because, we're currently amongst Corner. You don't see a lot of bakeries around, or really, you can't really find a lot of good bakeries around, but everyone loves what comes from them. I'm going for the career I want, and that's where I'm wanting to see myself in the future. All kinds of stuff, anything from like pie, donuts, bread, cookies, just anything. I'd take it as far as I can in any direction I can. Whenever I bake and I can make something, and whenever someone goes and takes a bite of it and they actually genuinely enjoy it, it's like a big like a pat on the back for me. It's just like the fact that I can make something for someone else, something that I know they probably can't make themselves, but something that I can make for them, and they honestly enjoy it. It brings me joy to see satisfaction of the work I've put in on someone else's face. Coach Ernest Houston, he was the world geography teacher at Star Academy at Berkeley High. He was also my wrestling coach whenever I was in wrestling at Berkeley, but he had a huge impact to me. He was kind of like the dad that I didn't have at the time, and he really pushed me to my limits, and I want to say thank you, and I respect him for that. He has had a huge impact on who I am today. Know who you are. You need to really, think about where you are in this world, what your purpose is, what you value in life, and if you know who you are, you'll know that, you won't be offended by what other people say trying to bring you down. You won't be discouraged by other people's negativity. You'll be positive. That's why I'm positive the way I am. I know who I am. And there's plenty of people that'll bring me down, but I always bring myself back up because I know who I am. I'm not going to stop for nothing to get what I need and want in life. I only got one life, and I want to make the most of it. You only get one first impression, so why not make it the best one you got with these people? I hope people look at me and are inspired. I hope they look at me and, not wish to be like me or nothing like that, but I hope they're inspired to be a better person they are.